In this quick video, I'll show you how to open up your Chevy Equinox key fob so you can replace its internal battery at home. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do and it takes under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need are a coin and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries, I'll leave a link in the description that'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery that you need for this device for just a couple of bucks. One quick note is that there are a couple versions in this kind of family of key fob. Mine has 3 buttons here. There's another version. Most of you out there will probably have 3 buttons, but instead of this, there's a red panic button here. And these 2 buttons are actually circular, and instead of lock and unlock, they just have a kind of an icon of a lock. Doesn't matter, as long as you have this kind of rounded version for the Chevy Equinox, you can follow along with me here. And regardless of how many buttons you have, the process is going to be the same and the battery is going to be the same. So just follow along. As I said, we'll get a battery in there in under 5 minutes. So let's just jump right into it. Down on the bottom right side of the device, you're going to see this little slot in there. We're going to take our coin, insert it into that area. And once you get it in there, you're just going to hold the device gently and twist the coin. This thing will snap right open. It doesn't take that much force. Now you can set this side down and we can come over and work on the battery here. From here, you can maybe, if you have longer nails, you can just pop this thing out with your finger. I can't, so I'm going to grab a flathead screwdriver. You could also use something like another key or a pen or a pencil. What we want to do is come over to this little area right here. You can see there's a dark area, kind of an indentation in the plastic. That's to help us get under the battery. So take your tool and just slide in that area, and you can see how easy that is. We're just going under the battery, and once you're under there, you can just kind of lift or pry it out. Go ahead and take out your old battery, dispose of it, and grab your new CR2032 battery. And when we're putting it in, we want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign and the text on there is going face down. So we're just going to line it up, snap it into place, positive side down. And all we need to do from here is click the 2 halves of the device back together, and we are all set and good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with a video for pretty much every device from every make or model out there. Almost every device from every make or model. And you can also get this information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.